Some of you may think it's too early to start thinking about your fall garden when it's the middle of summer and you're still deep in the middle of growing and harvesting your summer crops. But that couldn't be further from the truth, especially if you're starting from seed. Because while summer may still be in full swing, fall gardening success starts now, not when the temperatures cool down. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm preparing my garden for fall, what I'm planting, what I'm pulling, what I'm buying, and how I'm setting myself up for a smoother transition into the next growing season. Why fall prep starts early? A lot of people wait until September or October to start thinking about it. But by then, depending on where you live, you may already be behind. Many fall crops need anywhere from 30 to 90 days to mature. And if you're direct sowing or starting seeds indoors, you need to account for germination time, transplanting time, and the fact that cooler temperatures can slow growth. Right now, I'm looking at my first frost date and counting backwards. That gives me a rough idea of when I need to start everything. Making my crop list. The first thing I do is make a list of what I actually want to grow. Not what looks good in the seed catalog, not what everyone else is growing, but what I know I'll actually eat. For me, that usually includes things like kale, collard greens, cabbage, broccoli, carrots, beets, lettuce, and even spinach. I also think about succession planning. What can I plant in stages so I'm harvesting over time instead of all at once? And I'm also being realistic about space this season. Evaluating what needs to go. Next, I'm walking through the garden and deciding what stays and what goes. Some summer crops are still producing, and I'm going to let them keep going. But others are slowing down, stressed from the heat, or just taking up valuable space. This is where I start cleaning things up, removing diseased leaves, pulling spent plants, checking for pests, and thinking about what beds will open up first. This step is important because fall prep isn't just about planting. It's also about creating space. Soil reset and amendments. After a heavy summer season, the soil is tired. So I like to refresh my beds before planting anything new. That usually means adding compost, checking moisture retention, and making sure the soil still has enough nutrients to support another round of crops. If I need extra supplies like soil, fertilizer, or mulch, this is when I make that list too. Because one thing I've learned is this: waiting until planting day to realize you're missing supplies will slow you down every time. Pest prevention planning. Fall gardening also means preparing for pests. And if you've grown brassicas before, you already know the cabbage worms are coming. I'm already thinking ahead about row covers, insect netting, and how I can protect young seedlings before they even go into the ground. Prevention is always easier than trying to fix a problem after it starts. Seed starting game plan. This is probably the most important part for me, deciding what I need to start now. Some crops I'll direct sow, like my beets and carrots. Others I'll start indoors or in seed trays to give them a head start, like my cabbage and kale. And starting early gives me options. If something fails, I still have time to restart. That flexibility is huge. Gardening is always about thinking ahead. Even while I'm harvesting summer crops, I'm already planting seeds for the next season. That's one of the biggest lessons gardening teaches you. Prepare now for what you want later. So over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing my fall garden setup, what I'm planting, and how everything is progressing. If you're preparing your fall garden too, let me know what you're growing this season in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe and follow along as we grow, one season at a time.